Next concept is single error correction, double error detection. Okay, so we already generated Hamming code. Till now you know the concept, and also you find the error bit also. So for the generated bit, please add one extra bit. Okay, after generating a Hamming code, just add an extra bit. Okay, that is the parity of Hamming code. Okay, next bit is parity of Hamming code and transmit that one. Okay, you transmitted and you received that code. Now for that received code, calculate error position. Okay, leave the last bit. Okay, leave the pn plus 1 bit and calculate error position same as before. And now calculate p. P is XOR of received Hamming code. Let us check it. After calculating P and C, some conditions are available. If C is equal to 0 and P is equal to 0 means no error. If C not equal to 0 and P is equal to 1, single error occurred and that can be corrected. If C not equal to 0 and P is equal to 0, double error occurred. We cannot correct it. If C is equal to 0 and P is equal to 1, error occurred in Pn plus 1 bit, means the parity bit we added. Okay, let us see example. You already generated a message for 010. For this message you generated a Hamming code, right? So for that Hamming code I am adding one extra parity bit and doing these problems. Okay, for example, let us consider. Find the error position in received bit. Here received bits are how many? Let us check. 8 bit. 4, 4. Total 8 bits. But we know Hamming code is for 7, 4 only, right? So this is the Hamming code and this one is the parity bit for this code. This is received code, right? Your original Hamming code. What is the parity? 1, 1, 1. 3 ones are available. So add 4, 1. Okay, this is your received code. You have to find out C1, C2, C3. Calculate C1, C2, C3 for up to this one only. C1, C2, C3. C1 means 1357. C2 means 2367. C3 means 4567. Calculated those things. What is the value? C1, C2, C3? 3 zeros. Okay. Means C is equal to how much now? 0. C is equal to how much? C is equal to 0, 0, 0. That is equal to C. Now calculate P. P is XOR of this entire message. Now this is the entire message. 1 triple 0, 1 double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1. So how many ones are available? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones means XOR operation is 0. So here C is equal to 0, P is equal to 0. What happens? C is equal to 0, P is equal to 0 means no error occurred. So this is the correct Hamming code. Already you know for 4 this is the Hamming code. We already calculated it. Now I am changing one bit. Okay. I am changing one bit, this fifth position into 0. Okay. Now received message is 100100001. For this message, calculate C and P now. Okay. Okay. This is now message. Calculate C and P. So P. C1 is equal to 1. C2 is equal to 0. C3 is equal to 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7 position calculating C3. Next P. P is XOR of entire Hamming code. Okay. How many ones are available? 1, 2, 3. So 3 ones are available. So XOR is odd. So we write 1. Next. C is equal to 1015. P is equal to 1. If C not equal to 0, P is equal to 1 means single error occurred. That can be corrected. Okay. So we can correct it. So replace fifth bit with its complement. So answer is this one. Okay. Hmm. Now I am changing one more bit also in this. Here already one bit is error. I am changing another bit. Means double error occurred. Let us check whether we getting double error or not. Okay. Check one more example. See, I received this message. I am changing two bits, 5 and 6 bits also. Now check it. Calculate C1, C2, C3 and P. Okay, C1 is 1. C2 at 2, 3, 6, 7. C2 is equal to 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 position. C3 is equal to 0. P also 0 now because 4 ones are available. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones means XOR is 0. Now C. Here C is equal to 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. You have to write in reverse order. So 3. P is equal to 0. Observe the condition. C is not equal to 0 and P is equal to 0. Means double error. We cannot the correct. See, let us see. What is C value you get? 3. Means error is showing at third position. But you know, error is occurred in these two positions. Right? You change the values of these two positions, but not 3. So we cannot correct the error. But we can say it is double error because this is the condition. Next, last one. Okay, here I am giving parity position is wrong. Everything is same. Let us check. We getting same condition or not. Calculate C1, C2, C3 and P. Now C1 is 0, C2 is 0, C3 is 0. So P1 is XOR of all numbers. So 1. C is equal to 0, P is equal to 1 means error occurred in 8th bit, right? So this is the error. So correct one is this one. Okay. Thank you.